All right, we are out and about in my neighborhood again. And there's a dog coming up, so I'm just gonna record this. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to be too obvious. So this is our first encounter with next to a dog. No, walk. She's already getting a little bit revved up. Walk. Okay. Walk. Walk. Good girl. Yes. Let me grab a treat for her. Yes. So it wasn't perfect, but the other dog was actually off leash. But she did pretty good. Walk. Gonna turn and cross over. She's doing pretty good. Like I said, that was the first dog that we walked by, and she at first was very focused on the other dog and was walking ahead of me. I was correcting her a few times. I might need to go up on the level, but other than that, we've been walking for a while and she's been doing very good. Was scared by a lawnmower, but that seems about right for her demeanor and the way that she gets scared over some loud noises, especially when the lawnmower was behind her. So it makes sense. And there's a pond up here that we're gonna walk by, and there's some people over there, so I think that will be in the next video. Not sure if that will be much of a distraction for her or not, so we'll see how it goes.